It's been a minute, but we're back for a bigger, brighter, and bolder DirecTED event. Hello there, Kadas! This is again Sandra for today's DirecTED event, and we're also back here at Oracle NetSuite Philippines office, wherein we will tackle about preventing BIR penalties and effective tax planning strategies. Accounting leaders from different companies are present, and we're looking forward to helping them achieve their business goals together with our cloud transformation stewards. Our Direc forerunners, Atty. Aleth Cubacub and Sir Nicole Angelo Orate, talked about effective tax planning and strategies, ERP reports, and how an ERP system can help our accounting leaders.
To address your IT needs, our solutions exceed fulfilling your needs. We'll be your partner every step of the way, committed to provide a great experience every day, navigating your course.
Like the most, I would say, is yung talks. The talks were very insightful. Both Atty. Aleth, who talked about preventing BIR penalties and taught us about taxes, gave us hacks. It was very insightful. Sir Nick showed us how we can apply those strategies from manual to ERP. So I think that can really elevate our processes from within our organization. After this talk, they've highlighted the importance of having an ERP system that's just so robust and at the same time so scalable, like Oracle NetSuite, right? To be a part of our business operations every day. Having that ERP be in place, as well as having the knowledge of complying with BIR and all of these life hacks, basically, I think that's key to a great ROI.
So first po, yung una ko pong natutunan sa topic po namin, which is yung strategies po. Nakatulong sa amin yung strategies kasi kahit na meron kaming procedure o sarili namin practice ng pag-aayos po ng filings namin, syempre iba pa rin po yung may napakinggan kami ibang perspective, insight, na pwede din namin siyang ma-apply dun sa ginagawa namin. Next is yung mga tips, paano mo masusolusyonan yung sa LOA. Minsan kasi kapag nakakarinig ng LOA, natatakot agad, pero may iba namang ways kung paano ma-address yun, o kaya kung paano natin i-deal yun. Pangatlo naman is sa filings, kung paano din may iwasan yung mga penalties. Ano ba yung pwede nating gawin bukod sa magbabayad ka na lang kagad kasi meron namang mga prevention kumpara sa hihintayin mo na lang na ikaw yung habulin ng BIR. As we conclude today's insightful journey on navigating tax planning and strategies, remember, the path to compliance and success is clearer in the cloud. Thank you for joining us for today's DirecTED event. This is again Sandra for today's DirecTED. See you at our next one. Bye!
At Direc, we make it easy.
DIR easy, we make it easy, we make it easy. DIR easy, Technovation, choose Direc and you will see.